Hello and welcome to the demonstration video for the Leifeld Plb 1200 spinning lathe in full operation. Here's the hydraulically operated tailstock and the compound. You can see the compound in operation now. That's the top stock. Here's the longitudinal compound. Here's the headstock, run by a 25 horsepower motor. This is the spindle extension and retraction. Very good. Now we're going to attempt to drive the spindle drive. And here is the 50 horsepower hydraulic pump. Welcome to part 2 of the Leifeld Plb 1200 video. This part we will show you some of the accessories that go with the machine. These are 3 rollers and an extra rolling head.
For shear spinning.
These are used for shear spinning. Over here we have several adapter plates. These are for the headstock. We have adapter plates ranging from 12-inch to 16-inch. There's a 20-inch. And over here, if I can get this all in the frame, that is a 52-inch adapter plate. And also the associated mounting hardware and bushings for all of these pieces. We also have two forming cones, shear forming cones. That's one, and there's the other. In addition, we have a 24-inch hopper, which is that right there. And lastly, this is called the main spindle extension. A very useful item. And also, for your interest and observation, this piece right here is an expansion joint for a steam turbine. And this piece was made with this very same machine, the PLB 1200. Was used in making parts for a steam turbine. So thank you very much, and we hope you enjoyed the video and the information.